Welcome to the Animated Kids Valentines special. We just took a piece of clay and let our imaginations run wild.
You know what holiday's coming. Time for bad Valentine's puns. You've stolen a piece of my heart. You've made my heart all aflutter. It's a match made in heaven and my heart's all aflame. Cupid's arrow has struck my heart. You shower me with love.
My heart's all abuzz. Wait, one more! Won't you be mine?
Have a happy Valentine's Day!
Send out a Valentine's video this year. Here's the faces we used when the bee talked. We did about 5 or 6 different moth positions. Here's the wings we used when we cut the bee out and used wings. Here's a secret recipe we used to snap the lips into a rose. And over here is the arrow through the heart formula.
And here is the beating heart formula.
You can download these if you want to try something like this. Fun! Animate!